In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Showmax app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to get Showmax app, it's just pretty simple. You can install it through Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for us to find Showmax app, you need to go and find Google Play Store app, and here is Play Store app. Then tap on it. From here, you'll see we have an option to search for apps here, or you can tap on search here if you don't see this. So if you tap on this, now you can go ahead and search for your app. Just type in Showmax as one word and then search here. Now you can see we have Showmax app here. If you tap on it, you will see we have this app from Showmax Africa Holding Limited. So if you see this, then you know you are on the correct app. At the time of recording this video, this app has over 146,000 reviews with a star rating of 4.4, and currently the file size for this app is 26 MBs. When you go to downloads, currently this app has over 5 million downloads. So if you see these details and also the icon here, then you will know that it is the correct app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Showmax app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go to your apps now, you should be able to see your Showmax app here. Go ahead and open it to start using it. So that's how you can install the correct Showmax app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.